lens. We should unbox it. My phone died on the middle of removing the seal. It was lovely. Yeah, there you go. Take this off. Oh, that's a good, very good protection. Wow. That is so nice. It's a nice weighted lens. Put too much dust to it. There's already a bit of dust in it anyway. Surprising. It's supposed to be quite new. Quite new, brand new. Anyways. What should I put it on the camera? Yes. I don't know which one to open first. Okay, maybe I'll open this one. Open this. Oh, can't do it with 2 hands. Okay. Which way did you go? Whoa, that was a tight fit. But damn, it's a big ass. No, it's a big camera. It was a small camera? No, it's a big camera. Yeah, that's good. Open it. Wow. Let's open it for the first time. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's very zoomed in. The vocal on it is crazy. Wow. It's very zoomed in, but that is crazy. No card, obviously. Yeah. That's crazy. Wow. I'm happy. Sigma. Well, there it is, guys. I'm gonna put it on my card now, so